Real-time annotations. Annotations are a great way to take notes, ask questions, and collaborate with your fellow cloud members. With real-time annotations, this feature is now even more powerful. How to create an annotation. Highlight any word, sentence, or paragraph, and ReadCloud's Learning Toolbar appears. Use the annotation icon to create an annotation and share it with your class cloud or certain members of your class. For further information on annotations and sharing, please refer to our video titled Creating Annotations in eBooks. How to annotate and collaborate in real time. You are now able to create annotations and comment on them in real time. Enhance your learning experiences and truly make the ebook a place for discussion and social e-learning. How to view and manage annotations. With ReadCloud's Learning Annotation thread, you can review, edit, delete, and start a learning discussion thread. You can access the Learning Annotation thread through the Function tool located in the header of your ebook. Teachers are also able to delete student comments. Once opened, you will see all annotations, including any enhanced annotations, e.g. drawings and videos in one place. Click on the arrow icon and the thread will be refreshed and annotations will be added in real time. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.